Hello guys, this is Tanush Kumar. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crack Joterpad. So this app has been suggested in my YouTube comments by one of the user. So I'm going to show how to crack this. So the app is open now. So let's go to add-ons. So here we can see the two packs, that is one is a creative pack and one other is Pro Cloud. So we should unlock these two. That means we should buy this. So let's open and see what is there in creative. So here you can see, so when I click this button, so it will take to Google Play. So the same with Pro Cloud. So when I click this, it will take to Google Play. So here, so let's find out which activity it is running now. So you can see here now we have got the activity add-on create activity. So this activity is running here. So now we need to find a keyword, any keyword in here in this activity, so that I can search it. So let's find for button. So I will find for button ID, that is ID purchase. So in empty manager it will be very difficult to find the ID. So I have already decompiled in APK editor so that I can find the ID easily. So I will search here purchase. So purchase, so let's pause this. So here you can see in public XML. So here we got the purchase ID, so let's copy it. See here you can see ID, that is purchase. So now let's go to empty manager. So I have already backup the APK, that is app of Joterpad. So here you can see it is. So let's click on view. So let's decompile Dexus. So now let's search for the ID which we have copied. So let's search it. So now we got the result. So here you can see it is not the add-on create activity, but let's see what's inside here. So we got this thing here, that is it is just an button ID, that is you can see here it is under protective word protected, it is protected. So the method is G, you can see here. So now we did not find this thing in, that is add-on create activity. So now let's see where it is calling. So let's search when it is calling. So now in this result, if we find any of which is calling in add-on create activity, and we can easily crack that. So we can easily analyze in add-on create activity. So we got the result, but you can see here any of them is not of add-on create activity. That is, here you can see, sorry, so here you can see add-on create activity, we need this. So our keyword of that is button id is not successful. Let's search for this button text, that is text view of this button, that is purchase text 1. So let's search for purchase text 1 in apk editor. Sorry, purchase text 1. So you can see here we got the id purchase text 1. So let's copy it and search here in empty manager, so that we can find the result which is in add-on create activity. That is here you can see. So we search until we get any result in this activity. So if we not successful in button, so let's search for any other, like this or this, anything we can search here. So I am now going with here text. Let's see. So again we have got the result in D, but let's open and see what is there here. So again you can find the same thing here as of here. So last time it was here, now it's here. Let's search for this where it is calling. So let's copy here. So let's see first second result what is there. So it is like list of all this, so it will be very difficult. So let's search for this first. Let's search for this where it is calling. I will copy the method. Copy and search. So now you can see here we have got the activity which we needed, that is add-on create activity. So that means now we will analyze how to crack this. So let's see first what is there here. So here is the method starts from here, and this is so you can see here it is taking, that means it is just an id. So this text will be setted for this, that means this text will be setted. So now let's see what is this text. So let's copy it and search what is this text. So let's search in strings. Sorry, we should search in public. So here we got add-on button purchased. So let's see what is the string in add-on button purchased. Copy. So here you can see that we have got the purchased, that means it is successful message. The purchase successful message we have got here. So this is what we wanted. So let's analyze the code now. So this message is purchased text viewing. So we want this to be setted, that means we want this to be run. So let's see here. Here is one condition running. So if it's condition in true, then it will not run this and it will go to condition 15. So we should make this code to be running, so that here you can see here it is running one line and it is giving this result to v0. If v0 is equal to 0, then this condition will be run. Now we should go to this file and make the value equal to not equal to 0, then this condition will not be executed. So I will go to here. So here you can see I got L. So at last you can see here it is return P0. So at last I will add one this thing. So I will add constant /4 P0 is equal to 0 into 1. That means this P0 will be written by value 1. So that is what we wanted. It is not equal to 0. So this is what we wanted. So here we can see that we have here condition. So this condition is from here. So that means when it is running, then constant P0 0 into 0. So let's also make this to 1 as for safety reasons. So let's run this. Save. So let's go back. So now we have made it v0 1. So now this will not go to condition 15. So this code will be executed and the button text will be set to purchased. So now let's see what is there in. So after coming here, it will go to see. After running this code, it will go to 35. That is, it will go to 35. That means it will return here. So now this code is done. So now let's go back. So now let's see in other, that is add-on CC activity. So I don't know which is this activity. So that means I don't know which is the add-on CC activity. Let's search for it in our app. So this is add-on creative activity that we have done with this activity, that is we have set this to purchased. So now let's go back. So here you can see that this is add-on CC activity. So now let's set here purchased. So we go to add-on CC activity. Here you can see this once again the same method is there here, and it will run. This will set the text. So when it will run, so this purchased will be set to this. So here once again condition, and we have to make this condition false. So once again I will go to here. And make here the same constant 4 P0 0 into 1. So I will copy from, I have copied that already. Let's paste it. So here I have copied that. So now it will return the value 1. So for P0 now it will return 1. So here the V0 is not equal to 0, then condition 16 will not be executed. So this code will be run and the button will be set to purchased test. So now you can see here. Let's analyze the code. So you can see after running here, it will go to 105. That is, you can see here it is on go to bar 16. That means it will go to condition 16 and then it will go to condition 105. So let's see here. So here it is go to 105 till end method. So now we are successful this, but now we need to search for the other results. That means now we will search for this string that is purchased, where it is else existing. So let's search for this. So now we got the 3 result. So we have already modified these two. Now we have got a new result, that is add on proactivity. So now let's see what is there in here. So here once again the same condition. So we have here 2 conditions here. So now we need to run through this condition. So now what I am going to do is, here you can see once again, if V0 is not equal to 0, then V0 is equal to 10, then this condition will be executed. So we should make V0 is equals to 1, so that this condition should not be executed, and this will continue here. So let's go to A. So you can see that there is no anything such as this activity. It is an widget button, so it will be always true. So no need to modify here anything. So now let's come to here M. Now let's come to M. So here once again we have got this. So once again we have to do the same. So this is not correct symbol, so let's copy from somewhere else. So here we have one. So we will paste here. So now you can see that, now you can see here the P0 value is 1. So the P0 value 1 will be moved to V1. Now the V1 is equals to 1. So because the P0 is 1, this will be moved to this result, that is P1. V1 will be 1. So now when the V1 is 1, so if it is equals to 0, then it will execute condition 17. So now it is 1, it is not equal to 0, this condition will not be executed, and this will go here. So for safety reasons we will delete this condition here, so then it will be very good. So now this will execute the code. So now let's save it. So Now what's the problem is, we have successfully made the changes such that here it will be purchased, but the features should work, the feature will work or not, we don't know. See, now there are many features like it is locked. For example, dark theme, it is locked. You can see here, when I click dark theme it will go to. So now we have changed this, so let's compile and see it is working or not, then later we can analyze and we can make that it will work in pro features. So it is successful now. So now it is done, let's install and see it. So my storage is full, so it is not installing. Let's clear my storage. So now let's cancel for here, so and try to install once again. So now it's installing. Now I have cleared this storage, so let's wait and see. So now let's open. So now the app is open, so we are go to add-ons and see here we have successful, because here you can see the right marks. Sorry. So we have changed here purchase, you can see that, so it will show purchase here also we can see that it will show purchase, but now we will see the features are working or not. So let's go to appearance and let's see the dark theme. So you can see here it is successfully working. So thanks for watching this video.